so today is the 3rd, so 9/3/24. I'm going to create three columns. Possible but not certain. Then certain to happen. Then impossible to happen. Okay, so we have here our three columns. Possible but not certain, certain to happen, and impossible to happen. So you have your three columns. Okay. Possible to happen, but not certain. What does that mean? What do you think that means? Possible but not certain to happen. What is, yes, Bruce?
So, I mean, kind of like the lottery, but it's not, yeah, it's really no chance, but it's possible but not certain.
Correct. That's a great example. Is it possible for us to win the lottery? Yes. Is it certain to, but it's not certain, right? Yeah, no. I haven't met anyone that's won big on the lottery. So it's possible, but it's totally not certain. What about something in school? Is there something in school that's possible but not certain to happen that you can think of? Bruce?
The electricity going up.
Right. It's possible for the electricity to go off, but it's not certain. And if you would have told me that on Thursday, I would have been like, come on, guys. The whole school? No. But, yes. Anybody else? Yes?
Win the raffle.
Win the raffle. Okay, so here, lights go off. Win the school raffle. All right, cool. Can you name one more thing, either at school or in your life, as a kid, that's possible but not certain to happen? So one more thing. We already gave you two. Lights go off. It's possible. Trust me. And then win the school raffle. That's something that's appropriate for you guys. All right, can you name something, and you write it down right here. Right there. Something that is possible but not certain.
In school or anywhere?
Anywhere for your life. For your life. What is something that is possible in your life? Okay, can we stop? Can we ignore him? If someone's making a comment, just ignore him. All right, certain to happen. So something that is certain to happen. Raise your hand if you can tell me something in the world. Doesn't have to necessarily be with child age appropriate. I mean, it's appropriate, but like winning the lottery, you guys can't win the lottery. You're underage, but you can win a raffle ticket. So what is certain to happen? What is one thing, Greg, that is certain to happen?
I thought you were talking about the other ones still.
Okay, certain to happen. Yes.
Someone getting arrested. Going to jail.
Okay. Well, let's keep it positive.
Going. I don't know.
What is certain to happen? Yes.
Going to school.
Going to school. Yes. If you're underage, you're going to school. Going to school. Getting math homework.
Writing.
It is certain to happen. Even if I have to go take the sheets to Miss Means' class or Miss Soner's class, it's going to happen. You're going to have math homework. For sure. Anything else? Okay. Yes? Getting a report card. Yeah, it's certain to happen. Report cards are due 2 weeks from now.
What? Huh? Wait, actually.
Relax. Every 6 weeks you get a report card. Okay. Add one more. Yep. So we're going to have 3 in each list. Add one more. Certain to happen. Like, it's going to happen. It's certain to happen. No question about it. All right. Now, something that is impossible to happen. What is impossible? Yes, Gregory. Anybody?
I know.
Yes.
Us not getting math homework.
Yeah. Impossible not getting homework. Not getting math homework? Impossible to happen? No homework for math.
Not going to school.
Okay. Anything else? Impossible.
Going to school.
Yes. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. There's like a 0.001 chance. I don't think so.
There was a coyote.
Snow today in Santa Ana.
Snow day.
Exactly. So, what's the probability that it's going to snow in Santa Ana today?
It snowed before though.
Yeah, but we're talking about today. Hence, I wrote today and I wrote the location. I didn't just write snow. Because could there be snow somewhere in the world today? Yes. But not here. Right? Is it going to hit 90 degrees this week?
Yeah.
So where should we put the 90 degrees this week?
Certain to happen.
Certain. Remember, we're keeping it positive. All right. So now I'm going to convert these into a number line situation. And I'm going to put impossible all the way on the left side and certain. Yeah, we're gonna be writing a little bit either on the top or the bottom. Oh, I can't spell certain. Certain. I had to split it up. And then where would be possible to happen? Where would you put it on the number line? In the middle, right? Ish. Technically, it could be anywhere. Possible, but not certain. Possible, but not certain. Okay. Now, so I just kind of wrote impossible all the way on the right side and certain all the way on the left. Okay. Where would 0% be? Impossible. 0%. Where would 100% be?
Certain.
What would be possible? 50%. Now, could possible but not certain be 25%? Could it be 75%? Yeah, so possible but not certain could be anywhere in here. If I were to say, your math teacher, is going to eat pizza tonight for dinner, where would you guys put that your math teacher is going to have pizza for tonight?
Certain. Possible.
Okay, possible but not certain. It's not certain yet. But would you put it right in the middle?
No.
Where would you put it?
In the middle, closer to certain.
Closer to certain, close to 100? Yeah. What if I ask you to place your probability of a pizza night tonight?
Impossible.
Zero.
Certain. Impossible.
Impossible.
No, for me, it's very certain
Wait,
because
for
my
us
dad
or
brings
for
me
you?
free pizza.
For us.
Okay.
I love pizza.
So for some of you, it would be impossible. It's a Tuesday night. Your parents don't do pizza on Tuesday nights. Dinner's already in the, in the slow cooker type of thing, right? So some of you might be more over here, right? Some of you might be more over here. Some of you are like, oh, I'll just text my mom and dad and we'll have pizza tonight. Others of you are like, yeah, no, it's impossible. We're not having pizza. As an adult, I have more control, right? So I could be more this way. You as a child, probably more this way when it comes to having pizza tonight. Unless you had pizza last night and you're going to have leftovers.
I had pizza 2 days ago. Free pizza.
All right. So, now, where would you go, lights go off? Where would we put that on our number line as a whole class? Where would we put lights go off on campus?
Towards the possible, like in the middle of possible, but not certain.
Do you think we have an exact 50% chance the lights go off today?
Towards the possible.
How many of you think it's going to be a higher than 50% chance that the lights will go off today? Higher than 50%. Okay. How many of you say 50% chance? And how many of you say less than 50%? Interesting. Huh. Interesting. All right. So let's put it. Stop. Lights go off. What percent do you guys want to give that?
25, 30 actually. 15. Oh, just kidding. That's like 25.
I did put it, but, well, I don't mind the 30%. You can put 25 if you want.
Wait, I was talking about the electricity going off or the lights just
Light.
turn off?
I guess electricity.
Electric.
Well, if the lights, they go kind of hand in hand sometimes.
Yeah, the lights.
All right. Where would we put it's going to snow?
Impossible.
Impossible. So that one's at 0, right? This one, snow, 100%, 0%. It's not going to snow. Sorry, guys. It's not going to snow. We're going to put getting math homework.
Oh, 100%. We know you're certain on giving us one.
Yes. Math homework. All right. What would be something that's about 75%? What's something that would be about 75%?
It's gonna be hot today.
Gregory?
Win the raffle.
There's no raffles on Tuesday.
Oh.
What would be 75%?
Getting pushed around in the hallways.
That's 100.
Actually, yeah.
That's 100%.
Oh wait, yeah.
Especially going through this door. Yes.
Oh, people who were dancing charge that.
Especially over a long weekend.
Oh,
Wait, why did we even have off yesterday? What was yesterday?
Labor Day?
I think it's 75. Because look at Jill. Jill's not
iPad not charged. Pi 6 period. iPad not charged. It's a good one.
You forgot to put the percent.
Don't the words go on top?
Sure. Yeah, I did the opposite on the other one. What percent would you give the iPad?
75,
60, 75. I'll go with 70. Yes, Eldon? Question? Okay. For Miss Lamelli eating pizza tonight, I would put it pretty low for me. Where would you put eating pizza?
0.
Okay, so you put the pizza. I'm going to put it at like 10%. We have leftovers from last night and they were pretty good, so we're probably going to have leftovers. So, what's your probability that you're going to eat pizza? Mine's at 10%. Where would you put it? Because yours is probably different than mine.
100%.
Up to you.
My dad works at a pizza shop, so he brings pizza. My whole fridge is full of food.
There you go. Not going to happen.
I ate like what? I'm gonna eat tamales de pizza. I ate like a whole box. It's all we live in your house.
All right. We okay?
Mentally, no.
Physically, yes.
Okay. Let's draw.
Wait for the face.
No, if you need to. Here is my basket bag.
You're what?
That's nice. That is so pretty. No.
It's a basket or a bag.
Is that a cracked egg?
Sure.
What is that?
It's a basket
The basket.
Oh.
or a bag with the ruffled edges on the
It looks
top.
like diapers. No, it looks like.
All right, draw it. Draw it. Draw it.
Can we try this way? It looks like a tulip. It looks
Basket
like a
bag.
tulip. Whatever she draws.
Yeah.
If she draws.
You just draw it better.
We draw the basket bag.
Right, pee-pee. Drawing a basket bag.
Whoa. That's concerning.
It looks like a tulip.
Why did I just see RRP?
Okay, we're still recording.
Oh.
Is that
Oh.
666? Yeah, we're on YouTube.
It's G for green.
Oh,
Green?
red. Oh, red, pink, and green. Green. That looks
Oh.
red, pink. That's crazy. Yeah, you might want to fix it. Roblox horror stories.
No, because my mind is all about math, and that's it.
That's true.
I don't get how this is related.
It's a bag full of colorful coins or colorful tokens.
Wow.
Are the tokens made of color?
What colors are we dealing with?
Pink, red, and
Pink, red, and green.
Thank you.
RP.
So,
RPG is crazy.
probability. So, I would like to know, when you are dealing with probability, you'll see the capital P, which stands for probability. Then you'll see parentheses. And parentheses will tell you what you're looking for. So, my first question is, what is the probability of selecting a red coin, a red gummy bear, a red whatever is in the basket?
20%.
Yes.
2 out of 9.
No.
2 out of
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, there should be 10.
She's cool.
Oh, I forgot one. Okay, can you stop?
9. So 2 out of
Sorry, my mistake. I forgot the blue one.
Oh, so 2 out of
Oh.
Yes, I wanted it to be out of 10. All right. Why is the top number 2? There's 2 reds. Why is my denominator 10?
Because there's 10 letters inside that.
10 in total. Very good. Okay, so if it's 2 out of 10, what percent is 2 out of 10?
20%.
0.02.
20%.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
But what would be the decimal? Because the decimal's not what you just said.
0.2.
So our probability of choosing red is 2 out of 10 as a fraction, 20% as a percent, and 0.2 as a decimal.
Decimal.
Okay? So what's the probability of blue?
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh.
All right, who can give me the fraction for blue? Yes, Anna. What is it?
1
1 out of 10. Good. Probability of green fraction, Greg?
3 out of 10.
What is it?
3 out
3 out
of 10.
of 10. Good. And Michelle, what's probability of pink?
Pinky. 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. Good. Logan, what is the probability of pink as a percent?
4 out of 10.
Great. That's the answer I already wrote down. Can you give me the percent?
40%.
40%. Make sure we're not on our iPads. Bruce, what is the probability of green as a percent?
30%.
30%. And Bao, what is the percent of blue as a percent?
10%.
Very good. Okay, so that's basic probability. That's like level 1.
Yeah.
Level 1. All right, so now let's pick it up. What's the probability of blue or green? I win if I pick blue or green. So what's the probability of blue or green? Yes,
Oh.
Nathan?
4/10.
4/10. How do we get 4?
Add them together.
Yep, you add them together. So how many blues are there? 1.
1.
How many greens are there? 3. So 4 out of 10, which is 40%. Okay, what's the probability of not getting red? So I win if I don't get red. I win if I don't get red.
8 cents.
Yep, 8/10. So the probability of not red would be 8/10, which is 80%. So do I have a high probability of winning?
Yes.
Yeah, 80% is pretty high. Okay. What's the one last question? What's the probability of yellow?
Oh, I got
What is it?
0%.
0%. Because there is no yellow. It's a trick question. 0%. Any questions on this? Pretty easy probability? Yep. All right. Yes, a worksheet. Can you do me a favor? Hold on. Let me make sure I did it correctly here before I tell you to check Canvas. Uh-oh. Can you log on to Aries?
Which one?
And all right, log into Aries. Log into Aries.
There's only one blue out of 10. 10 colors. Vote 1 because there's only one blue out of 10.
All right. So we checked out our grade on Aries.
Yes.
So probability of red. Well, first off, how many total sections are on the spinner? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know my denominator to start with will be 5 because there's 5 total sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sections are red? 1. So it'd be 1/5. You go up here. Do you have a 1/5?
Yes.
Yes, it's a T. So do each exercise and find your answer in the code key. Notice the letter under it. Write the letter in the box containing the exercise number. So what letter? T. What letter?
T.
There's Miss O'Malley. It's okay. It's up. Yes. Yes, we started last week. Oh. Yeah, they see the McGraw Hill icon on the waffle, and then they click on that, and then they log into their account, or it's already logged in. So, oh, I see. And then, like, Miss Benavente and Miss Kim sent me a link directly, so on Canvas, the kids click on the Alex icon, which goes through all, the waffle and whatnot, and they just log in through that. So there is that way too. It's like a direct way to go through the waffle, the link that they provided me, which I could email you in like 5 minutes. Oh, but their username through the waffle is their ID number, and their password's their birthday. Yeah, the waffle is username is ID at sausclearns.net, all of it, and then their password is their birthday. It should be that for them. For Alex? Oh, I don't know. So shouldn't it all? I mean, Alex now is no longer like cat, dog, 57. It's now everybody is their birthday and their ID number. Okay. McGraw, if it goes to the waffle, it's McGraw Hill. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Okay. What's number 2?
Wait, I'm confused.
Yes.
It's with the TV number 1.
Yes. So down here I wrote the T for number 1. Anna, we're focusing. Is there any other number 1s out there? Nope. So number 2, probability of green. How many green sections?
1.
1 out of 5. Oh, we already know that letter. What letter is that? T. So number 2, the letter is T again. Yeah, sometimes the letters repeat. No big deal. Okay, number 3, probability of blue or white. That's when you add blue or white. 2 out of what? 2/5. Is my answer up there? Yes. What letter?
S.
So number 3 is S. Okay. Pretty easy. So not yellow, count all the ones that are not yellow.
4/5.
I'm done. You're working. And I gotta send Miss Kano that link.